So that was exercise number 3. So now we get back again on the upper back, upper body. And this is called a closed grip pull down. Previously we held the bar like this. Now we're going to hold the bar like this. So your palms facing you. So you're going to sit down. You're going to lean back exactly to the same position. And you're going to bring down the bar to the chest. And you're going to bring it back. So your shoulder blades are pinching again. And then your arms are bending. So you exhale and inhale. Pinch the shoulder blades, pull the arm, and back. So it's 1 and 2, 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2, 1, 2, and 3. And this is how you let it go. Thank you.